Thank you, John. I'm excited about this one. This recipe is on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page already if you want to copy it down. It's called a Cavatini Bake. And Amanda, this is one that I know your two little boys really enjoy, right?
Yes, yep, kind of a family favorite.
Okay,
so,
you've been making it for a while and it's easy.
Yeah, I just kind of put two recipes together and here it is.
Wow, okay, so what do we need?
Okay, so first you just need to brown your ground beef. And so then that's the first ingredient in. And then you can boil your noodles, and pretty much this is a dump everything together and can't get much easier than that. So you dump in your noodles.
And you use all the noodles?
Yes. Yep.
Full package?
Yep. Make it easy, make the whole box. Then dump in your pepperonis. You can add pretty much all of this as little or as much as you want. And then I use a 24-ounce jar of spaghetti sauce. I like Prego, but everybody has their preference, and you can use as much or as little as you want.
Okay, I know people were asking me on Facebook how much spaghetti, and I updated that now to say 24 ounce.
Yes,
okay.
yes.
Perfect.
And then mix this, all four of these ingredients together, and then as soon as that is mixed, you can dump that in a oven-safe pan.
Okay.
And
so you're just gonna dump it in here. Perfect. Great. And what size pan again?
If you make the full thing, you can do a 9 by 13.
Okay. Want me to help you?
Yes.
I was like watching you. I was like, I think she needs some help. Okay.
There
All right.
we go.
So usually like a regular size casserole dish, like
Yes.
9 by 13. Okay.
Yes. And
Perfect.
then this is cream cheese. And so you just cut it into cubes.
And stick it on here.
more or less, yep, just stick it on top. You can push some down if you want. Spread it out wherever you want.
First it looked like mozzarella to me, but it's cream cheese. Okay.
And then you can take your cheddar cheese and sprinkle that on top.
Okay. And we're looking at the ingredients right now.
All right. And then your mozzarella cheese, sprinkle that over the top. I like to add more of the mozzarella.
Yeah.
And then you just bake it in the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes or until everything's warmed up and the cheese is melted.
Perfect. And this is our finished dish right here. It looks amazing. I'm going to give it a try. Very, very good.
Does it pass inspection?
Yes, it does.
So you can even mix in the cream cheese when it's hot like that, and you can mix it in and it gets more creamy. And
Ooh,
yeah, and
yummy.
it freezes really well as well.
Perfect. It would be a nice dish to give to somebody too
Yeah.
if they
Yep.
need it. Okay.
Yep.
Perfect. Again, this recipe is on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page. Back to you, John.